Your TENICOR holster is going to come typically without any attachments on it. So it'll arrive like this in the packaging. There'll be retention screws here, so you'll get a good positive feel and fit, but it arrives without the attachments so that you can use the holster without the attachments to find the best ride location on your body. So go ahead and take the holster and the gun and go ahead and stick it into your waistline and let it kind of move it around left and right. You can move it around up and down and let it find its most comfortable and concealable position. Once you do that, I would recommend spending time throughout an evening or so around the house just wearing the gun and letting it find its best home location. Once you do that, I would take a pencil and I would mark on here where you want the waistline to sit. Once you have the pencil mark there, you can then put the clips on and adjust it so that the top of the clip lines up with the pencil mark, which will then set you up for the correct ride height adjustment. So that's the best way we found to fit a TENICOR holster. In addition to, sometimes you'll notice two things. You'll have, like here on me in these pants, I have a belt loop there, and so I could mark my belt loop also with some vertical lines. And once I mark my belt loop, you'll notice that if I was to put this one in place, I'm going to interfere just barely with that. So I might choose to run just a single front attachment so that I don't interfere with the belt loop, or the pant loop on this set of pants.